Whoop whoop, whoop whoop Wednesday. And I have a joke for you. This man dies and he ends up going to hell. But the devil meets him and he says, well, you haven't been so horrendously bad, so I tell you what, because you tried, I'm going to give you a choice of where you want to spend eternity. And the man said, okay. There are 3 rooms. He opens the door to the first room and people are standing up to their chins in poop. He opens the second door. People are standing up to their waist in poop. He opens the third door. People are standing up to their knees in poop. And the devil says, well, have you made a decision yet? And the man says, yes, I'll take the third room. The devil says, fine. The man goes and stands in there, and all of a sudden there's this whistle. Whoop! And an announcement on a loudspeaker. Coffee break's over. Back on your heads.